You ever find yourself in a room that has one light bulb and no outlets? And you're like, man, I could really use an outlet right here. Got a solution for you. Now, of course, we have wires here. We could, I don't know, one of them goes to, who cares? Who cares? We're not going to run new electricity. No. We're going to use this. I don't remember what this thing's called, but it's socket receptacle. 2 receptacles plus another socket. So you're just going to take your bulb out here. You can plug the bulb right into here. That way you still got your light for your room. You don't have to. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug in some real lights. And you just pull that, put that right up in there. Get it nice and tight. And watch your eyes, right? Oh. But now, we got a plug here and a plug here. So we got 2 plugs. Now, understand, this is basically one receptacle, right? So don't overload it. Don't overload it. And my plan is to use a table saw, a shop vac, a couple other my air compressor in this room to get some stuff done, to get this room finished, right? Although I'm not going to be able to use probably the air compressor and the table saw at the same time. So, I'm not even going to try. I'm just going to have them both plugged in, use one, and then use the other one. Turn one off. But I used those when I was a kid. Forgot all about them. Hey!